Chris 6 News at noon continues.
Well, good noontime, everybody. If you've been outdoors, we're picking up a few little light showers out there. I ran into one. I had to turn the wipers on the way down here. This is that tropical activity that's right off the coast. And, of course, our atmosphere is unstable enough that we're actually popping up some of this activity. Now, you know, we probably had the humidity 2 weeks ago, but pressure was so high, they wouldn't allow these clouds to develop. So we are getting some shower activity around the area. Let's zoom in to see what is happening even as we speak. Here's the downtown area. You can see most of the heavy stuff been up near Oswell and Refugio. Looks like Beeville and even Sinton's getting a little light rain. We had a little shower that came through the downtown area right about there, but that has weakened. This will be on and off all day long. Here's the latest image at 12:10. Look at that. Looks like Mathis is getting rain for the third day in a row. That's amazing how they're doing that in Mathis. How do they do that? All the way down to about the Robstown area along Highway 69. But this will be, as I say, garden variety showers or a 10-minute shower. I don't expect any severe weather, and it'll all be gone by sundown. In fact, by tomorrow, we're going to see even fewer of these showers, and then by the weekend, it just gets plain old hot and steamy. But this is where we are, and that's what we're affecting. There's a little frontal system to the north, but obviously that's not moving down here. Here's a big old heat wave. Remember that? It's out here in the southwest, but it's going to be going northbound, not fortunately coming in our direction. Your 7-day forecast brought to you by NEC Co-op Energy. We're looking for a 92 today with stray showers that we have out there right now. Tomorrow, 93 and even fewer showers. And then by the time we get to Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we'll be about 94, so it'll be hot and steamy. Heat index will be rising. But then, you know, this is not bad. In fact, this is actually where we're supposed to be this time of year, with temperatures in the mid-90s and overnight lows not to be particularly bad. As I was mentioning, this whole area of high pressure is going to be moving northbound, so the heat wave is headed up into the northern Rockies, which is not good. As far as we're concerned, the high over the Gulf will continue pumping up that moisture, but because of pressure, we probably won't see much in terms of any significant rainfall. Meanwhile, we've got, of course, that hurricane, which is known as Hector, that's going to be rolling just south of Hilo, Hawaii. So they're going to be okay from the hurricane, but it is going to bring them some nasty weather, some surf and some wind, and hopefully not too much of an interaction with the actual volcano itself. You can see how it's about 300 miles to the south, and the volcano's right about there. So as we look at your extended outlook, looking at temperatures a little bit closer to what I consider seasonable. That's the way it's supposed to be in August. You know, hot and steamy. That's all. That's your forecast from La Palmera Mall. We'll toss it back to you, Mike.